Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving yourself client-side camera control. Place a local script in starter player scripts so it runs for you. Once done, get a reference to the camera with workspace. Current camera or game. Workspace. Camera. You do this locally because the server cannot change each player's view directly. Make sure Play Solo testing is active so the local script executes. Do this first to avoid permission and replication issues, and to prepare the camera object for scripting. Now you implement the how. Switch the camera to scriptable so you control its C-frame. You might set camera. C-frame equals C-frame. New X, Y, Z for instant moves or interpolate over time for smooth motion. Use tween service or manual lerp in a loop. To update every frame, connect to run service. Render stepped, which runs at render rate and keeps movement smooth. Make sure you stop previous connections before binding new ones so you don't stack updates and cause jitter. Finish by restoring the player's normal view when appropriate. Set camera. Camera type back to custom and disconnect render stepped listeners. Make sure any camera state cleanup happens on character respawn because characters reload and recreate cameras. If it fails, check that the script is a local script in starter player scripts or starter character scripts. Server scripts won't affect the client camera. A key troubleshooting tip: if the camera won't change, open the output for errors and verify the script actually runs on the client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.